Yots! React lang tayo sa good news ng Philippines. First issue, itong Iran allows passage of Philippine flag vessels through Strait of Hormuz. Meron kasing mga issue dito na yung Philippine flag or Philippine-bound vessels. So, ano ba talaga? So, i-check natin. Nakikita natin ito sa kanyang, yan. Ito yung issue document ng Department of Foreign Affairs mismo. So, Manila. This is issued April 2 to 2026. Foreign Affairs Secretary Maria Teresa Lazaro had a very productive phone conversation. Nag-usap daw sila sa phone today. So that was April 2. During the call, the Iranian Foreign Minister assured the Secretary that Iran will allow the safe, unhindered, and expeditious passage through the Strait of Hormuz of Philippine flag vessels. Philippine flag. Hindi Philippine-bound. Philippine flag vessels talaga. Energy sources and all Filipino seafarers. Itong Filipino seafarers, may question din ito. Kasi, what if yung seaman, yung Filipino seafarers, is nakasakay siya sa mga hostile or yung mga hindi padadaanin ng mga ships like ships ng Israel or ng US. So, bakit? Isa-isahin ba nila tanong yung mga tripulante doon? Hindi naman. So, depende siguro kung saan siya nakasakay. Yun siguro. Ito, tingnan natin. Ito yung post ng GMA. Ito yung sulat ng Iran sa UN Security Council regarding kung sino yung mga barko na padadaanin nila. Ito, tingnan natin. Unang panuntunan na binigay ng Iran, non-hostile country ba tayo? Are we? So, April 1, Philippines asked Iran to grant non-hostile country status for safe passage in Strait of Hormuz. After this post, wala pang binigay or wala pang posting ang any news na sinabi that Iran granted us as a non-hostile country. Wala pa silang sinabi officially na na-post from the Department of Foreign Affairs and mga news na Iran grant us as a non-hostile country. So ano nga ba ang panuntunan ng Iran regarding the declaration of a non-hostile vessel? Okay, non-hostile vessels including those belonging to or associated with other states may provided that neither participate in nor support acts of aggression against Iran. Wala naman tayo, hindi naman tayo nag-support, hindi naman tayo nag-participate. So, pwede pa rin. And fully comply with the declared safety and security regulations. Benefit from safe passage to Strait of Hormuz in coordination with the competent Iranian authority. Kailangan makipag-coordinate, makipag-usap, lahat. Okay. It is further underscored that vessels, equipment, and any assets belonging to the aggressor's parties, namely the United States and the Israeli regime, as well as other participants in the aggression, do not qualify nor innocent for non-hostile passage. Yan. Kung mayroong mga vessel, equipments na ginagamit, yung assets na belong sa United States and Israeli, hindi pwede. Those are hostile vessels. So, hindi yun pwede makapasok. So, kailangan talaga it is a tanker na Philippine vessel, not of donated from or bought from the US or Israel. Iran has, in addition to targeting US military bases and facilities in the region, ito lang, taken necessary and proportionate measures to prevent the aggressors and their supporters from exploiting the Strait of Hormuz to advance hostile operations against Iran. Yan. So, halimbawa, yung nagpagamit ba tayo ng military bases natin, kumbaga dito dumaan yung mga airplanes nila, yung mga barko nila, Navy, dumaan sa atin before pumunta sa kanila, ginawa tayong paliparan, yan. So, medyo alangan tayo dito. Pero, pwede pa rin. Kasi hindi naman talaga tayo nag-participate eh. So, simula sa start ng gera until now, wala namang news na yung mga jet planes, yung mga bases nila dito, or yung mga bases natin sa Pilipinas, ginawang pahingahan or parang bases na din ng mga US at saka yung mga pantala natin, wala naman, di ba? So, pwede pa rin. But, wala pa rin official na release ang Iran or yung Department of Foreign Affairs natin na we are granted with as a non-hostile country for and non-hostile vessels natin. Yan, wala pa rin official. Okay? Official. Wala. Okay, ito, sample post na nakita natin. Facebook page ng Iran military. Not officially, but mostly ng mga Iran updates dito. Dito din. For some reasons, Filipino ships will be allowed to pass through the Strait of Hormuz. Filipino media reports. Pero yung emoji niya, parang questionable. So yung comment dito is, the Philippines is an ally of the USA and an SOL supporter, but the oil crisis is getting very severe there. So, yan. So, yan now. Sinasabi dito that we are ally of USA and a supporter of Israel. So, yeah, questionable talaga. So, I hope that they will grant us as a non-hostile country.